Okay, today we're going to move the cattle from one field to another. You can see they're out there in the paddocks. This pasture is a little bit of a walk. It's not a pasture that's right next to this one, so I wanted to do a video showing how we move the cattle. No stress. We let the cattle move at their own pace. What I will do is I'll call the cattle and they will follow me on the ATV, and I'll just let them graze on their way there. You'll notice that I do call them several times. They seem to have a short attention span, and with me repeating myself and calling them, it reminds them, hey, we're moving. So let's get started here. Come on, boys. Come on. Come on, boys. Come on. I don't want to get too far of the herd, so I kind of let them catch up a little bit. And got a storm coming, so can't tell by the way the trees are blowing and the leaves are turning up. Come on, boys. Come on. Come on, boys. Come on. Come on, boys. Come on. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Come on. Come on, boys. Come on. I ain't gonna put any pressure on them. I'm just gonna let them work their way across there at their own pace. Come on, boys. Usually they take a couple bites. Move a few steps, take a couple bites. Come on, boys! Now up here in front of us, they're going to go through a gate, and then they're going to make a hard left. And you can see here, it's definitely a hard left. They're going to come out and turn right back the same way they came from. Come on, boys! Come on, boys! They're all very docile cattle. None of them seem to be very aggressive. Curious maybe, but not aggressive. Come on, boys! Come on! Come on, boys! Come on! Come on, boys! Come on! Come on, boys! Boys! Come on, boys! Come on, boys! Always curious about the neighbor's pasture. Boys! Boys! Come on, boys! Come on! Come on, boys! I'm gonna bring the tree with him. Come on, boys! And I don't want them to run. Then one will get ahead of me, and one runs and they all get a little suspicious of what's going on, so it's best to keep them calm. Come on, boys! Nice and easy, boys. Come on. Come on, boys. He'll graze a little bit on the way, and that's fine. We just want to keep him moving. Come on, boys! Come on! Let him catch up here a little bit. Come on, boys! Come on! Come on, boys! Another 50 yards and we'll be into their new paddocks. Come on, boys! My number 6er, last time we moved this far, he was in back. He had a rear foot that was bothering him. Okay, now I'm just going to pull out of their way and let them come into the field. Come on, boys! Come on, boys! Come on! Come on, boys! You notice everybody's head's down and everybody is grazing. So there we go. Low stress cattle moving. There was nobody behind them forcing them to move. They moved at their own free will and pretty much at their own pace. Now they do not have this whole field. I would say about 20 foot in front of where the furthest cow over there is a poly wire splitting this field off into a paddocks. Thanks for watching Organic Farm.